So 4325 floor plan is up next. Now this floor plan has been growing in popularity, so I'm excited to show you the inside. Notice the beautiful exterior. This is a sea spray graphics. You've got 3 other standard packages that you can choose from. Let's go ahead and look at the exterior storage. So the 4325 gives you a lot of the same exterior storage that you see in your 4369. So you have your refrigerator, freezer here, whatever you want that to be. We've put this shelf above there so you can actually use that space. Then we've got this nice big compartment here with the pass-through tray. So you can option in whether you want the trays or not. That does make it really handy to get your stuff, but you do lose a little bit of your pass-through height, your space there. Another pass-through tray here. And then we have just our one-sided pull-out tray here, our central vac, pegboard compartment. The Dutch Star comes on either the Freightliner or the Spartan chassis, 450 horsepower engine, DEF here, and our chassis batteries. And you can also option in the blind spot detectors. Exterior TV with soundbar, another option, and the 360 camera. So you literally can have cameras all the way around this coach, then come together and give you a bird's eye view when you're driving this coach, keeping you safe as you travel across the country. All right, it's ready to go check out the 4325 on the inside. Check out the beautiful exterior, the 4325. Now look at this interior package. This is the Catalina interior package paired with the 2-tone cabinets. So we have Sedona on the bottom, Summit on the upper. Now you have options with your cabinets. You can go with high gloss or you can go with a suede finish. This is the suede finish. Now for 2025, they changed all the colors of the wooden cabinetry. So you've got the Summit for the light white, then you have the Sedona, then I believe it's the Sable with the darker wood. Again, you compare either the Sable and the Summit or the Sedona and the Summit. And then you have another wood choice that is named Morel. It's a great name, by the way, I think. I think they named it after me. So anyway, Catalina interior decor here. Remember, electric floors, electric floor heat comes standard for 2025. We've got our great theater seating. You'll see that a lot because it's a very popular option. You can do a sofa there, but most people really like this. The theater seating is just so comfy. You also notice the panels throughout the coach as we go. You're going to have the LCD screens, no more KIB switches. Looks nice. And then you'll see like the feet on the furniture to kind of give that residential feel. Our TV on the lift. Storage above, then we go into the kitchen. Now this kitchen just looks huge, right? So this is the big feature of the 4325. All this counter space and then the optional beverage center, which I love. So you've got the wine cooler here, more storage above, adjustable shelf. And let's just check out all the upper storage. Pull out, adjustable shelf there, convection microwave oven, more storage above, and another adjustable shelf. Now, even a little extra counter space with full extension drawers. So much storage. Love this drawer. Optional dishwasher, of course, all electric induction cooktop, window. So we have our sink here with a small divider. You can kind of see, so you have a bigger section and a little bit smaller. And below that, we've got the trash can, another pull out for all of our cleaning supplies, space to the sides of those. Obviously the beverage center, love that. And then we've optioned in the booth dinette, so you're going to have storage here below each booth, and then it's also going to extend. So again, you're going to pull that all the way out. tap your little extra leg here so that you have support. Put your leaves in, bring your extra chairs out, easily get 6 people to this table. So storage from your living room all the way into the dining area. And again, dining area, if you're not a booth person, we can give you other options. So make sure you give us a call. Now I do love this huge pantry. Full pull-out shelves. Really nice, they lock in place. We've got our French doors here on our refrigerator, our freezer. And check that out, another huge pantry. So adjustable shelves, really nice. We've got our big LCD control panel here, thermistor. Then we have our half bath on the pivot door so that when our slides are in, you can easily get in here when you're on the road. Breaker box, fuses, storage. Great lighting in here, by the way. And great storage behind the medicine cabinet. Vessel sink, nice solid surface countertop, outlets, more storage, push buttons for the toilet, storage, and of course, more storage in this little half bath, which is really nice. So we have our privacy doors as we step into the master bedroom. Beautiful headboard, storage above. We've got the LCD panel underneath the overhead cabinets so we can control the lighting from bed, make sure everything's turned off at night. Check out the space to the sides of the bed. We're going to actually be able to make it without hurting our knuckles. We've got 2 nightstands with power just inside that cabinet. There's a little space where you can bring a cord through, and then you've got storage underneath your bed. 2 leaves for your dinette and your 2 folding chairs. Again, notice the beautiful detail of the decor package. And then again, you're gonna see this set up a lot because it just makes sense, it works. You get a nice big TV, 2 wardrobes, and then you get the 6 drawers across the bottom. And they are nice and deep. Then we've got a window here. Again, you'll notice that all the windows, or almost all the windows, I think, open. So you're going to be able to have that cross breeze here and then open the 2 windows on the side of the bed. As I come into the master bathroom, we've got a nice big shower here. 2 towel bars. I love that. We have the fixed shower head, the handheld wand, AquaView shower miser, the seat. You're going to get to see all this in more details when I do my full-length video, and I'll explain everything. Optional washer and dryer here. Splendid. Our toilet here with the push-button controls. Optional emergency egress door. More storage, optional safe, and more wardrobe space. And then 2 more drawers. Look at that full extension. And then we have this great vanity. 2 sinks. Again, the sinks aren't huge. I love that because you get more surface area. So lots of storage there, nice and deep, but plus high. So you know those taller hairspray bottles, they're gonna fit in there. More storage below the sink. 2 more full extension drawers. And we're not done with our storage. There's even more. Check out that. So more wardrobe hanging space there. You can see the wiring panel is behind that. And then 3 more drawers.